It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at In-N-Out Burger at the Link Promenade in Las Vegas. If you look at the menu, it looks like it's just a double-double, a cheeseburger, a hamburger, and french fries. And they have milkshakes, but is that really all there is? Oh no. The menu looks a little bit limited, but there's a lot you can do to customize your order. Hi, can I get a regular hamburger, a double-double animal style, can you do that? And animal style fries.
Neapolitan shake.
A Neapolitan shake. And on those fries, can they be well done fries?
Well done on the hamburger,
Yeah.
Hey, how are you?
Anything else I can customize? Something fun?
That I know? No, nothing too crazy. You can go bigger in the burger, but that's about it.
Oh, okay. What's the biggest you can go on the burger?
4x4.
4x4.
Yeah, it's to keep the quality of the burger.
Oh, okay. So no more than 4x4 to keep that quality high. Okay, great. Okay, that'll be it.
Okay, so I have a hamburger with grilled onion, a double-double animal style, an animal fry well, and a Neapolitan shake.
Yes, please. Thank you.
$15.80.
So now the only real challenge left is waiting for the food and then finding a table.
Yes, 23 please, 23.
All right, we got our order. We have the animal style fries. We've got a double-double animal style, and we've got a regular burger with grilled onions and a Neapolitan shake. And what is a Neapolitan shake here at In-N-Out? Well, as you can see, it's vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry, all in one shake. You can also get a black and white shake, that's just the vanilla and chocolate. And you can even get a root beer float, which is root beer with some vanilla ice cream swirled on top. And animal style fries, if you don't know what these are all about, it's cheese, grilled onions, and what they call spread. These are actually well done as well, which is another customization that you can do at In-N-Out. And this is the double-double. It's 2 burger patties, 2 slices of cheese, lettuce, tomato, pickles, and that spread. So let's see how these burgers taste. We'll start with the regular single hamburger. All right. Let's see how it tastes. So good. And if you think the burgers are good here, wait till you try these fries. These are so unique. You can get them just as regular fries, of course. Why wouldn't you get them as animal fries? Extra crispy. And let's not forget about the Neapolitan shake. That's a thick shake, and there's like 3 different flavors. So the double-double, it's probably the classic In-N-Out burger, more classic than just the regular burger or the triple-triple. I mean, you can get up to 4 patties if you want on these burgers. In legend and lore, you can get up to 100, but I guess it depends on who's working the grill. This is a pretty substantial burger as it is, and you can certainly get as many as you're craving.
Yes, 33 and 32 please, 33 and 32.
Now these animal style fries are pretty messy, but you can still dunk them in ketchup.
Yes, 39 and 35 please.
The secret to In-N-Out is the customization. You can really get some interesting combinations, things you might not expect or can even get at other fast food restaurants. And that's really the fun of In-N-Out. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about In-N-Out Burger Las Vegas. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas.